All right, guys, coming to you live. Wanted to share with you the Cyber Monday sale that the Credit Ninjas is going to have. This is Sunday, November 27th. This will start at 12:01 tonight and be good through 11:59 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. So just base all our times off Eastern Standard Time. But I want to kind of go through and break down to you exactly what we got going on with our Cyber Monday special. But if you don't know what we do, we assist clients in increasing their credit score by holding lenders to the laws of credit reporting. If they don't abide by these laws, then they have to delete that item from your report. So this is really important because let me tell you something. Every single account on your credit file has to qualify in all three of these areas. It has to be 100% accurate, it has to be 100% complete, and it has to be 100% verifiable. Which means if we delete these items that aren't 100% accurate, they aren't 100% complete, and they aren't 100% verifiable, that means your credit score is going to go up. You're going to get more approvals. You're going to get less denials. You're going to get better interest rates, which is going to save you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So let me show you exactly what that looks like when you're saving this kind of money. So here's an example. This is just something I snatched offline. Just wanted to kind of show you guys exactly what it could cost you per month having good credit versus bad credit. Your average $250,000 mortgage, for instance. This mortgage is based on 3.75% versus a 7% mortgage with bad credit. Can you get approved with a 580? Yes, in some places you can get approved for a mortgage with that. But look at the interest rates difference. A good credit is going to qualify for about a 3.75% interest rate. Bad credit is going to qualify around a 7% interest rate. Look at the payment difference, though, almost $500 a month. Let's take a $35,000 auto loan. Auto loans with lenders like Chevrolet or GM in general, Ford, companies like that right now, especially through the holidays and into the first of the year during tax season, are offering 0% for 60 months. Some are even offering 0% for 72 months. So if you have good credit, you can qualify for those 0% programs. If you have bad credit, your lending is going to be in the 22% range. So if you're going to be 35%, a $35,000 car, look at the price difference, almost $400 a month. How about credit cards? For instance, we have clients that we always try to get them funded if that's what they're looking for in credit cards, whether they're going to start a business, whether they just want to use it for the rewards benefits and just pay them off, whatever it is, with credit cards. Take a look at this difference at a 1% card versus a 34% card in the higher interest rates. That's a per month basis. Just take a look at that. When you combine those three things for a household, you save almost $1,200 a month with good credit versus bad credit. So I found that really compelling when I saw that, and it was really intriguing to me. So what can we help with? We can help with medical collections, standard collections. When I say collections, we're covering things like old utility bills that may be on there, paid and unpaid. We want to make sure that these items are 100% accurate, 100% complete, 100% verifiable. Charge-off accounts, late payments, foreclosures, judgments, tax liens, and bankruptcies. Yes, we've had success in deleting every single one of these items from these categories. Do we have a 100% success ratio? No, we don't. We actually only delete just over 80% total accounts that we deal with. But could you imagine deleting 8 out of 10 bad accounts off your file? And what if you are one of the people that we delete 100%? Most of the people we have trouble with are people that have attempted to repair their credit within the last 60 days on their own, and they've sent in letters, and they've went with a credit repair company that didn't follow the law. They just kind of went out there slinging guns and claiming accounts weren't theirs and things like that. That's really the 19-ish% that we have trouble deleting, but we have very good success rate at cleaning clients' files and getting them prepared, for mortgages, things like that. And we have a really unique pricing model. This is our normal pricing. This is not our Cyber Monday special, but here's the way we normally do it. We have a $99 audit fee that includes unlimited bureau, collection, and creditor disputes. We have a couples audit fee also that's $149 if you want to save some money and come in and get both yours and your wife's or yours and your husband's credit repaired. We have a free online access portal where you can see it's literally state of the art. You can see everything we do. Every time we touch your account, every time we take a look at something, we do a file review, all of your documents, everything's loaded into this one account. It's really nifty. You have access to that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right from your computer, laptop, or mobile device. We don't have monthly fees. I don't believe in companies that have monthly fees because they want to drag the process out as fast as possible. If you were paying me $77 a month or $57 a month, I would probably take my time, to be honest with you. We are a pay after delete or correct model. So after we delete the items is when we get paid. It's really, really, really unique. So we only get paid for results that we achieve. And here's our deletion and correction fees. Our normal fees, our personal information, is $10 per account per bureau. Inquiries is $20 per account per bureau. Standard accounts is $50 per account per bureau. And standard accounts, that falls original creditors, collections, that's like late payments, charge-offs, things like that are all included under standard accounts. Public records, however, judgments, tax liens, bankruptcies, anything that is of record to the public, it's $100 per account per bureau. It's a little different process what you're going through. Now, what about Cyber Monday? What are we doing that's so special? I mean, my wife tells me I'm crazy because we're giving 50% off of everything that we have, with the exception of our mailing services, which obviously we can't discount mailing because I don't have the connection to the postal service like that. But here's what our Cyber Monday special looks like. This is one day only, and we'll absolutely cut this off at $11.59. So it's $49.50, which is your audit fee for individuals. Now, what is an audit fee exactly? $74.50 for an audit fee for couples. But an audit is us going through and reviewing your entire credit file. We literally send you a 7 to 11 page document that breaks down every single account on your file, good and bad. We talk about your debt ratios on your cards if you have any. We talk about your charge-off accounts. We develop a strategy for each individual account on your file, whether it's good, bad, or in the middle. We want to make sure that we're maximizing your credit rating, so we're getting you the best interest rate possible. Even our deletion fees are 50% off. That means personal information that's normally $10 per account per bureau is now only $5. Now, why would you want to delete personal information? Simple, because if you have a second social security number on your file, lenders see that as a risk because, you know, it's something called a merged file. So we need to get that off of there. What about old addresses? Well, old addresses are associated to old negative accounts. Need to knock those things off too. So other names, for instance, if you're a female specifically, if you have an old past name that maybe was an old married name or whatever it may be, you want to knock those things off of there, really clean your file and get it down to the basics. Inquiries are normally $20 per account per bureau. Cyber Monday sells $10 per account per bureau. Standard accounts, those charge-offs, those late payments, the original creditor issues, standard collections, medical collections, all those fall under standard accounts, is normally $50 per account per bureau. Now it's only $25 per account per bureau. Public records, those tax liens, judgments, and foreclosures, things like that, normally $100 per account per bureau. Now only $50 per account per bureau for this one day only. People say that I'm absolutely crazy for doing this. Now, like I said, there's no discounts on our optional postage program that we do offer, but I strongly suggest you take a look at it because our system tracks all of your letters to ensure, but we'll go into that when we're talking to you about the account. This is our Cyber Monday special. We hope that you guys will cash it in. This is how you actually go about enrolling into our Cyber Monday special. Get with your local Credit Ninjas manager. That's option number one. Maybe you know one of our local managers in your area. Maybe they presented you to this video, whatever it may be. Get with them and go ahead and let them start the enrollment process and you helping them. Or you can visit enroll.thecreditninjas.info. You're going to need copies of your ID documents that are ready to upload. That includes your state issued ID, whether that's a driver's license or a state issued ID or a passport or a utility bill. Make sure that utility bill has your current address or your social security card. You need all three of these documents ready to go to upload if you're going to go ahead and go to step 2 and get started. Number 3 option, you can call our office, 334-557-0101. Speak to one of our customer service reps. Make sure to understand there's going to be a lot of hold times here. If for some reason you can't get through to our office, we're expecting to be very busy taking on this many new clients running this kind of special. So make sure you if you can't get through on that line, you can always email our processing team and just tell them that you're ready to get started with the Cyber Monday special. In the subject line of the email, put Cyber Monday special. It has to be received no later than 11:59 Eastern Standard Time to be taken into account and get these discounts. So make sure you email our processing team, which is processing@yourninjasolutions.com. Once again, that's processing@yourninjasolutions.com. Guys, my name's Dusty Devon, CEO of the Credit Ninjas. I look forward to helping you increase your credit score and decrease your interest rates and saving you thousands over a period of time. Thank you and have a blessed day.